ladies, and good day everyone, wherever you're watching me from or no. So my name is Lola, CEO Lola's Dynasty and Lola's Airline. So today I'll be talking to you about one important tip that we ladies need to take note that we just overlook, and many times it causes damage to our hair. Okay, now when you're giving your wig to a stylist or your bundle to a stylist for the stylist to make as a wig, watch out on how the stylist does your wig. You know, when a lady, we want always like our wigs, our frontal closure and there 360 firm on our head and all. So when it comes to that firmness, we the stylist, we always use elastic band to make it firm on the head so that it will lay very well on the head. But in the process of laying it on the head very well, some stylists make a mistake. This type of mistake whereby they put the elastic on the closure part. This part of our closure is very delicate because it's a net. So, and you know, nets are very delicate, they can tear easily. So putting elastic band on the net, it makes it very weak. So it gets to tear. Once the net is getting very weak, it gets to tear with time. And that can damage our wig, because many of us, you know what closure is saying nowadays, the price and all. So if we just take cognizance of that part, we would avoid our stylists damaging our wigs and our closures because of their own error. So they can just whenever I give your wig to a stylist or your weave to a stylist to tell as a wig for you, take note of that part, that they must not damage your closure and they must not put that elastic there. There's a part they can put the elastic on, which is at the angle of your ear to ear, from one ear to the other ear, that it can make it firm. There's a way they can go about it that you can make it firm. So ladies, always watch out for this so that you won't have issue with damaged closure, because closure is not speaking nice these days and the prices are always going up with dollar rate and all. So don't let them damage that beautiful hair you have that you bought as bundle and closure, and let them damage you because of the styling, because you will not know until you start using the hair. Because the more you put an elastic on your hair, the more it expands, and the expansion causes damage because it's pulling out and it's causing the wig, the closure, to tear. So we should always take note of this to avoid any damage to our hair. Thank you. This is what I have to tell you today, and ensure you always take note of this. Thank you, ladies. Have a wonderful day.